What's going on, guys? Smasher XD here, and welcome back to another awesome video, bros. Oh, and guys, happy early holidays, XD and Welding Fam Universe. Guys, the holidays are right around the corner. It's gonna be awesome holidays for 2023 in the XD and Welding Fam Universe, bros. But today, guys, I'm back recording. I think today is going to be a little bit of a short video I'm going to do because, guys, this week I got a really busy week with work and other stuff going on, and plus Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so, yeah, this is the last video for right now, but I'll be back maybe next week or something, bros. So, next week, I'll be back for another awesome video, and, yeah, so let's get right into the video. So here we go. So today, guys, we're back in another Super Smash Bros. Challenge once again, and this time, guys, we're going to be doing more Christmas battles in the Christmas world that I made. So I'll be right back to get it ready. Alright, guys, so we're going to start off this Christmas holiday 2023 fight with some of my 5 favorite characters: Mario, Luigi, Sonic, Mega Man, and Pac-Man in a battle in the awesome Christmas world. So here we go, let's do this thing. Here we go. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, turn on those awesome notifications if you haven't already. We're on the road for right now to 999 subscribers. We're now at 154, which is awesome, bros. So let's get right into the battle. And, oh my gosh, now they're all attacking me. You guys want to chill? I'm doing the intro right now. Oh, Luigi, for real? Yeah, get out of here. Oh, nice team up, Mega Man, that was awesome. Alright. Luigi? No, give me that back. Oh, I just eliminated myself. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Alright, come on, bro. Yeah, get hits. Yeah, get hits like that. Yeah, come on, Luigi, let's go. You and me, brother fight. Don't you dare touch that. Oh, great. Now, this spirit is actually pretty cool. Oh, Mega Mushroom time. Get out of here, Pac-Man. Oh, yeah. That's how XD does it. Get out. Alright, here we go. Oh. No. Oh, Sonic got it. Are you kidding me? Alright. Oh. Oh. For real? For real, Sonic? For real? Alright, Sonic, get out of here. That's how SD does it. Oh. Pac-Man. You wanna beat it, bro? Ooh. No. Get off me. Oh. Okay. What the heck is this? Oh. Get out of here, Mega Man. Oh, yeah. That's how SD does it. Oh, get out of here, Sonic. Get out. Oh, yeah. That's how SD does it. I keep saying my catchphrase so many times because I'm doing so well in this battle. Oh, what the heck was that? Yeah, Sonic. Oh, yes. Please tell me I won. Please tell me I won. Please tell me I won. Nope, Sonic won. Dang it. Alright, Sonic, I'll give you that. I'll give you that, bro. I'll give you that, but I'm getting a rematch. Okay. Come on, bros. I did so well. No, we're having a rematch, bros. This is not how it works. Not how it works at all. Here we go. Let's try that again, bros. Alright. Maybe this video can be called which 2 characters can get the win. Sonic already got the first win. Let's see if Mario can get the second win. As you guys know, I'm playing as Mario because Mario is my favorite character of all time. Since day one. Yeah, I'm the Usos. Down since day one-ish. Yeah, I'm the Usos from WWE. Alright, get out of here. Whoa. And Sonic already gets eliminated. Perfect. Get off me, Luigi. Yeah, all of you get out of here. I'm winning this battle. Everyone just fighting off the edge right now. Hey, come on, get out. Yeah, get your head off, Luigi. Thank you. I'll say, oh, Dr. Willy, let's go. Mega Man, you're in for a fight now. Your arch nemesis is in here. You got I'm sorry, Dr. Willy to deal with. Oh my goodness, ow! What the heck was that? Get out of here, Mega Man. Oh. Oh, take that. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, Mega Man got shrinks, let's go. Get out of here, Sonic. Oh yeah, that's how SD does it. Wow. No, oh my gosh, I just eliminated myself again. Come on, bro. Goodbye, Sonic. Yeah, that's what you get. Oh, jeez. No. Alright, here we go. Oh, double, that's what I'm talking about. That's how SD does it. Oh, I just blew up myself, dang it. Like, man, don't you even think about it. Get out of here. Oh, jeez. Come on, Luigi, come down. Get out! Oh, yeah! Oh, wow! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about! That's how FC does it! Oh, yeah! Mario for the win! Let's go! That's how SD does it! Alright, guys, I'll be right back to get the next one. That was an epic finish, bros! Alright, guys, next up, we're gonna have a six-man tag. We're gonna have a six-man tag team fight. It'll be the Mario Brothers, Mario and Luigi, and Sonic teaming up against Link, Star Fox, and his mystery partner. So it's going to be Team Mario versus Team Link. But who will Star Fox and Link's mystery partner be? Here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright, all the teams are good. CPU's on. And yup, let's do this. Alright, big question is though, who will their mystery partner be? And it's going to be Ike. Okay, let's do this thing. Alright, guys. Huh. Come on, Sonic, use it well. Oh, Mark, you want to relax, buddy? Nice, Luigi, using your plotter guts. That's how SD does it. Wow. Wow. Ah. Nice, Luigi. Activate it. Now. We'll hold them off, Luigi. Did you get him? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh. I don't think so, buddy. Oh, dang, I don't even know what's happening. Like, oh, what the heck did the Star Fox just do? Oh. Ooh. Come on up here, Ike. I dare ya. We'll have a one-on-one sword fight. Come on. Okay, I'll just come down to you, I guess. Oh, get out of here. That's how SD does it. Get out of here, Star Fox. Get away from my partners. Oh, what a punch by Mario. That's what's up. Oh. Wow. Oh. Man, he knocked that Sonic and I almost went flying. What the heck? Oh yeah, my team won. Let's go. That's how SD does it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, I'll be right back to get the next one. Alright guys, next up we're gonna have a Welding Fam Christmas battle. It's gonna be Smasher XD, Golden Wolf Boy 454, Tiger Shark, Silver Falcon, and Dart Ninja of the Welding Fam battling in an epic battle. So let's see who's gonna win. Here we go, let's do this thing. Here we go. Alright, y'all ready? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright, here we go. And each of us have 4 lives in this battle, guys, so let's do this. Oh, get out of here, Dart Ninja. Don't play with me. Get out of here. Goodbye, Silver Falcon. Yeah, you already have one. Wow, everyone's just getting eliminated that quickly. They really want to win this Christmas fight. Yeah, oh. Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm right here, okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh. And tricked me. Get off me. Oh. No, no. And I have 3 lives. Perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that. Not really. Well, you missed. Get out. Oh, dang it. Stop blocking. Well, stop blocking my fire dropkick. Oh. Oh, get out of here, Tiger Shark. That's what you get. Oh. Oh, darn Ninja. For real? That's mine. Alright, at least it didn't hit me. Goodbye, Golden Wolf Boy. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Oh. Alright. Get out of here. I don't know what I just did, but wow, wow, oh, and I have 2 lives left. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh, dang, we're all battling on the outside. I don't even know what's happening. Oh. Oh, dang. For real, dude? I only have 1 life. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh, I got eliminated, dang it. Alright, I'll just see who wins this. Yeah, Tiger Shark's done too. Goodbye, Tiger Shark. Dart Ninja, Golden Wolf. Alright, we are down to Golden Wolf Boy, Dart Ninja, and Silver Falcon. All these guys have 1 life. This is an epic battle. This is perfect. Oh, Golden Wolf Boy? Nope. Oh, Silver Falcon. Alright, let's see who's gonna win this fight. I'll do a rematch, guys, because we got 2. Alright, Golden Wolf Boy got the Smash Ball. Let's see. Can he do it? Oh, what a shit. Dart Ninja's gone. Yep, Dart Ninja's gone. He missed, and Golden Wolf Boy's done too. Golden Wolf Boy, you just eliminated yourself. You fruitcake, what is wrong with you? Silver Falcon is the winner. Dang, Silver Falcon, congratulations, man. Alright, I'll give you that, but I'm getting a rematch. Dang, that was the most epic battle ever. We were like all battling on the outside for some reason. I don't know why, but that was epic. Alright. Alright, next up, we're gonna have a rematch. Let's see if Smash or they can win this. Just like, alright, Sonic and Mario got the first 2 wins. Let's see if Smash or they can get a win with Silver Falcon. Alright, for this Christmas battle of the year. Get out of here, Tiger Shark. Don't play with me. Oh, see, why are they all battling on the outside? You're all gonna die. Oh, oh. Oh, dang. Oh, there I am. I can't see myself sometimes during this fight. Yeah, all they're just battling. They're not even worried about the. Oh, yes, they are. Please tell me. Yes! Alright, who did I get? Oh, Dart Ninja, you're going down, buddy! Smash or X, die! Get out! I only still have 4 lives yet. This is perfect. I'm putting all of them at 9, the hardest level, and this is... Okay. Thank you, Golden Wolf Boy. I appreciate that, man. You know what? I'm just gonna get you for this. Oh. 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 Get out of here, Tiger Shark. Don't play with me like that. This one's gonna get over here and blown up. Oh, and it's gonna be me, and I got eliminated. Yeah, thank you. I got eliminated by my own weapon. Perfect. You're amazing. This time, all right, let's do this down here. Wait, who got eliminated? Wait, who got eliminated? Oh, Silver Falcon got eliminated. Perfect. At least we won't know it will be him. Ah. Oh, great. Don't hit me, please don't hit me. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. And I have one life left. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thank you. You're amazing. Alright, here we go. Get out. Get out of here, Golden Wolf Boy. That's what you get, dude. Alright, the womp. Goodbye. Oh. Oh. Please. Oh, I missed. Get out! Oh yeah! That's how XD does it! I win, bros! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about! The Blood Shark for the win! For the Christmas battle! Let's go! Let's go! Alright guys, I'll be right back to get the next one. Alright guys, next up is going to be Mario, Link, Star Fox, and Falco teaming up against Wolf and his 3 mystery partners in a Christmas fight battle. So here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. And then after this, guys, I have 2 more epic main events, and then, actually, I'll think about it after I pause this video. But anyways, let's get this battle ready. Here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright, make sure everything's good, and here we go. Alright, who's Wolf's mystery partners? Sonic, Pac-Man, and Luigi? Okay. This is gonna be epic. Here we go. Let's take him down, team. Whoa. Like, check it. Oh, yeah. Get out of here, Luigi. Don't touch my weapon. Come on, Wolf. Let's go, buddy. Dang, this is a battle between all my favorite characters so far. Go, the Smash Ball! And Luigi got it. Dang it. Somebody stop him. Well, I'm not getting stuck in the plotter dust. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, hopefully. What the hell was that? I thought someone was wrong with the health bar for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Anyways, we're good. Yeah, get out. Oh, yeah, fire! Yeah, oh, Luigi, I'm so sorry. Ow. Sorry, Luigi. Did we win? No, we didn't. Dang it. They just whooped our butts. Dang it. Team Wolf won, guys. Dang it. You know what? I'll give it to them. Congratulations. That was awesome. Still an epic battle, though, but we're getting a rematch, like I said before. Alright. Let's try this again. Here we go. Now, I still apologize. After this, I have 2 more huge main events and then maybe 1 more Mii Brawlers battle. Maybe. I don't know. But here we go. Let's try this again. Alright. Who will Wolf's new mystery partners be? New mystery partners be. Here we go. Let's try this again. Here we go. The last partners were actually pretty good, and it was a huge epic battle. If we didn't win, it's okay. What I did to Luigi at the end was crazy. Dang, he smacked his head off there. Alright, who's this new mystery partners? Ridley, Pikachu, and Donkey Kong. Okay. Alright, not bad. Alright, let's do it. Donkey Kong. Alright, you know what? You wanna fight? Let's fight. Who wants to fight? Dang, we're all on the bottom just fighting. Oh, jeez. Sorry, DK. Pikachu, don't you touch that. Pikachu, do you know you're not supposed to touch things that don't belong to you? Get out of here, Pikachu. Pika! Yeah, Pika this. There we go. Oh, jeez! I'm getting these guys good right now. Ridley, get out of here. Ridley, that's mine. Give it back. Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, we got a Street Fighter in here. That's what I'm talking about, crowd. Cheer on your bro. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, the smash ball. No. Ah. DK, for real? Oh my gosh, he's beating up Star Fox. Oh my gosh! Yeah, that's it. You're all. Come on, get out of here. So long, DK. Get out of here, DK. That's what's up. That's how SD does it. Alright, here we go. Oh, thank you, DK, for that. I appreciate that. Not really. Oh my gosh, stop it! Oof. Alright, please tell me if we won this time. Please, 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 please. Yes, sir! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. Team Mario for the win. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, team. Oh yeah, that's how Etsy does it. Alright guys, I think I have 2 more epic battles and then maybe a roller challenge at the end, I don't know, but I'll be right back to get it ready. Alright guys, next up is Mario and the champion of Hyrule Link versus Dark Mario and Dark Link in a Christmas battle. So here we go, let's do this thing. Alright, make sure we're good, and let's do this thing. Yeah, alright, let's do this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Get out of here. Yeah, come on. Oh. Oh. Yeah, this is a fight, alright. Huh. Oh, what? Wait, did I? Hang on. Guys, I'm sorry, I had to redo this match because I think I did something wrong. I'll be right back. No, I didn't, guys. Turns out I didn't do anything wrong. I thought they weren't at the same level. My bad, guys. I'm really sorry, but let's restart this match. Here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright, so we got the Super Mario and the champion of Hyrule Link versus Dark Mario and Dark Link. So here we go. Here we go. Check it. Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. Come on, bros. Oh, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, sorry about that. I had to take care of something real quick. Let's see. How did I get eliminated when I paused the game? Oh, never mind. They're going down now. No! No! Nice, Link! Oh my god, I'm down to 2 lives! Nope, not getting eliminated yet. Get out of here. No, please. No. Bye. Dude, no. Come on. No! Come on! Come on, Mario, let's go. No, not again. No! Restock. Man, I got eliminated. Now Link's on a 2-on-1. Are you kidding me? Yeah, they're gonna win. Dang it. Alright. Oh, great. If they lose, we're getting a rematch. This isn't how it works. Come on, Link. Win this for us, but I want a rematch at the end because I want to win with you. Oh my god, okay, now they each have 1 life left. Perfect. Dark Link is done. It's down to the Dark Mario and Link. Who's gonna get the advantage for their team? Get the win for their team. Oh, they're just battling it out right now. Wow! Yes, sir! Link, let's go! Oh yeah! That's how SD does it! Good work, Link, let's go! Alright guys, I'm gonna try that one more time though because I want to win with Link. So we're gonna try this rematch again and then I have maybe one more after this. If not, we'll try again next time in another video. Okay, here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright. Round 2 of this fight. Oh. Get out. Oh yeah. That's how ST does it. What? What the heck was that? Man. Oh my, what? Come on! You know what? Stop bleeding me in the tracks. Dude, stop doing that move. What? How do I... Oh, I didn't know. Guys, I'm sorry. I had to restart this match because this match is unfair right now. Sorry. We won the first time, but I want this to be a fair fight. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm gonna try that again. I'm really sorry, guys. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Here we go. Here we go. Because this is gonna be how XT does it. To save Christmas. Oh, yeah. Here we go. No. No! Come on, I dodged that, man. Come on, don't do this to me. No, no! Dude! Come on, bro. No, no. Sorry, guys. I just keep dying in seconds. This is not how it's gonna be. No. I'm sorry I'm getting mad, guys. I'm not mad at you guys. I'm mad at myself right now. Jeez. Oh my goodness, guys. And I quit on the lawnmower. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. We're gonna try this battle again. I'm sorry. I just keep dying too many times. It's not how it's gonna work. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again. Mario and Link versus Dark Mario and Dark Link. Here we go. Oh my gosh, not this! No, get out of here. Oh my god, get this out of the way. What is this? Please tell me I didn't get eliminated. Oh my gosh. No, I'm getting that life. The life belongs to me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. This is your end, Mario! No, no. Huh? Hey, you wanna play dirty? We'll play dirty. Yeah, that's what you get, Dark Mario. Getting on my dead nerves. Wolf. Wolf. Oh, no, 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 no. Get out. Oh, dang, there's chaos over here. Oh my god, I can't even get down. Oh. Get out. Oh yeah, and that's how XD does it. I win. Oh yeah. We won them against twice. Sorry the last two didn't count, guys, because I kept dying too many times, but hey, a win's a win. Alright guys, we're gonna end off this video with Smasher XD fighting against a bunch of Mii Brawlers to see if we can get a high score. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I thought that today was gonna be a short video, but turns out I had some time, but I'll still be busy this week. But let's end this video off for the holidays for right now with the Blood Shark Smasher XD fighting against a bunch of Mii Brawlers. Here we go. Alright, let's do this thing. Fighting against a bunch of Mii Brawlers. I can't speak. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, bro. Oh, hey. No. You're all getting cold for Christmas, you hit me again. Hit me one more time again, you're all getting cold for Christmas. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, there we go. Okay, you're getting cold for Christmas. They're probably like, no, my presents! Oh no, not Ness. We cannot have Ness in here. This guy is powerful in a lot of these battles, guys. I fought Ness so many times in this game. He is so powerful. We need him out of here. There we go. Nope. We have the fire weapon. Oh no, you don't. You ain't hitting me with that. Get out of here. Oh my. No, no, not duck hunt. No, duck hunt. No. Bad dog. Get out. I missed. Get out of here, duck hunt. Bad dog. Hey! Get off me! Get out of here! That's how FD... I can't even say my catchphrase because these guys are too busy fighting me. Yeah, all you meatballs gotta go. Get out of here. Nope, not gonna happen. No! Dude, oh my goodness! Get out! All of you. You know what? Merry Christmas to you! Oh my goodness! Alright, there we go. There we go. I got this. No? Oh my gosh. You know what? This is what you all get. This is your Christmas present. That's what I'm talking about, Crown. Cheer on the bro. Yeah, let's go. Wait, where am I? Oh, jeez, okay. No. Alright, Dark Samus. Nope. Get out! Oh, yeah! That's how XD does it! Oh, yeah. Let's go. I didn't think I was gonna win, bros, but hey, we won. Alright, guys, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm sorry about some of the battles, guys. I don't know why Mario kept dying twice in one of the matches, but hey, at least we won. Guys, I won't be able to record this week because tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so happy early Thanksgiving to the XD and Welding Fam universe, and happy early holidays to the XD and Welding Fam universe out there, and to all my awesome buddies and stuff. But yeah, guys, I won't be able to record this week because I got a really busy week coming up, so I'll be back maybe next week. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, turn on those awesome notifications if you haven't already. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy early holidays to the XD and Welding Fam universe out there, and I'll see you guys next week. And I'll see you guys next week for another awesome video. Peace out, guys. That's how XD does it. XD out.